Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.51. While solving this problem, we will be using current divider rule. Basic equations for the calculation of current I1 and I2 of this particular circuit using current divider rule is provided here. We also will be using parallel equivalent resistance calculation formula of two parallel connected resistances. R equivalent is calculated by taking the product of both resistances dividing by their sum. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.51. Find current I0 in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find current I0 inside this branch of 4 kilo ohm resistance. We can solve this problem with different techniques, but we will adopt the current divider rule technique to solve this problem because it is the easiest way to calculate current I0 inside this network. Right now we have total supplied current, that is 12 milliampere, and we are interested to calculate the current of this branch. For that purpose, first we will find the equivalent resistance of these two parallel connected resistances. Later on, we will find the current of this branch. After calculating the current of this branch, we will be able to apply current divider rule to calculate the current of this branch. So first we will find the equivalent resistance of these two resistances to calculate the current of this branch. Equivalent resistance calculation formula is provided here. The product of both parallel connected resistances divided by their sum. In this case, R1 is 4 kilo ohm and R2 is 12 kilo ohm. So place the values inside this equation. Product of 4 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm divided by the sum of 4 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm. Solve this equation. Product of 4 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm will become 48 kilo ohm and sum of 4 kilo ohm and 12 kilo ohm will become 16 kilo ohm. Now divide 48 kilo ohm with 16 kilo ohm. The answer will be 3 kilo ohm. So we can replace these two parallel connected resistances with a single resistance having the value of 3 kilo ohm. Modify the circuit according to the calculated equivalent resistance. Now we can calculate the current of this branch. If we observe these two resistances are connected in series, so their equivalent resistance will be the sum of both resistances, that will become 6 kilo ohm. And already a 6 kilo ohm resistance is connected across them in parallel connection. Right now a 12 milliampere current is connected across two parallel connected resistances having the same values. So this total supplied current will divide into half to two branches. So this branch current will be 6 milliampere and this branch current will also be 6 milliampere. If there will be more than two equal parallel connected resistances, the current will be divided by that number of resistances. In our case, two number of resistances were connected in parallel with same values. That's why this current is divided by 2. And each branch having the same amount of current of 6 milliampere. Now we have calculated the current of this branch, so we will move to a step back to the original circuit to calculate the value of current I0. In this branch, 6 milliampere current is going downward to this node. And this current is coming from these two parallel connected branches. So this current can be considered as total supplied current, and these branches currents can be considered as current I1 and current I2. And we are interested to calculate the value of current I1, so we will use current divider rule to calculate the value of current I1. Equation of current divider rule for the calculation of current I1 will become I1 is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 multiplied by I into T, total supplied current. In this case, R2 is 12 kilo ohm while R1 is 4 kilo ohm and total supplied current is 6 milliampere of this branch. So place values inside this equation. 12k divided by 4k plus 12k multiplied by 6 milliampere. take the sum of 4K and 12K. The equation will become 12K divided by 16K multiplied by 6 milliampere. Now solve this equation. Take the product of 12K and 6 milliampere. It will become 72 only, and divide 72 with 16K. The answer of I1 will become 4.5 milliampere. Value of current I1 is equal to I0 because of same branch. So we can say that the value of current I0 inside this network will be 4.5 milliampere. So this was exercise problem number 2.51. Thank you. See you again in next video.